Hello guys, well and good morning guys. In this video we are going to predict about Shiba coin SHIB. You already know that in market the predominance of Shiba coin is going to be developed and going to be topped. So guys, today we are going to predict about Shiba coin. So guys, Shiba coin prediction price, how high will the price of Dogecoin killer go? So guys, Shiba token is a predominating in market of cryptocurrencies. The Shiba coin has started to gain transaction in the markets again as news come out that Vitalik Buterin has burned 40% of all Shiba Inu token supply, driven up prices through demand. As per an article by Benzinga.com, Vitalik Buterin on Sunday burned 40% of all Shiba Inu token supply by sending a total of 410 trillion Shiba tokens to an unusual and inaccessible wallet, thereby effectively removing those coins from circulation forever. Basically, 40% of all Shiba Inu coins has been removed from the supply forever. With such a huge change in the supply, there are bound of the changes in Shiba Inu coin price. Reader know. So guys, thoroughly already you know that about the Shiba coins, what is Shiba coins, but the prediction is going to be different. Prediction is going to be important. While making cryptocurrency predictions can be difficult, there are many crypto experts who have given their Shiba price predictions according to digital coin prices. Shiba Inu coins highest price can rise up till $0.0004607 by the end of 2025. This is a big predictions, big deal. The Wallet Street Investors has more negative outlook, predicting that Shiba Inu coins will fall to 0.00029 to 0.00016 by 2022. However, readers should take these predictions with a grain of salt. Crypto investors can buy Shiba Inu coin in India through various sections like WazirX and many more. Here you can see, but this is a big predictions, and whenever you are going to buy any Shiba coins and any coins, the most important the predictions. And this is a predictions still now 2021 era, but in 2022 also, and still this is a big digital predictions till 2025. So guys, this is a grain of salt. This is going to be a miracle if beyond this any result will come. So guys, this is a big informative video. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe this channel. Such type of informative video we are going to be next and create all time for you. Thank you.